Okay, so here's the situation. I left work at 4:30. 4:30. Okay? And I am still in traffic. You would ask, what time is it? Well, last time I checked it was 8:15. And that's when my battery died on my phone. So I have been in traffic now for over 4 hours. And I am about 5 exits away from my job. So you say, Caroline, why don't you go back to your job? Obviously you are having traffic issues. Nope, here's my issue. Snow. Snow is my issue. I moved from New York to Virginia to be caught in worse snow than probably New York. That's a lie. New York family, you don't have to email me, text me, or message me and let me know all about it. I know. I've got Fox 5. But anyways, so 4 hours later, I am still sitting in traffic. I have no phone. Thankfully, I was smart enough to pick up a pack of cigarettes, even though I quit smoking. I just slid. That was my car sliding for the 4th time after I got stuck in snow. 2 times. And a guy broke down in the middle of the road, and I tried to help him. Didn't work. So, if you get this message, oop, but you don't get me, it's because I'm somewhere in between Westfields Boulevard and probably not even 29 in the snow. This is Caroline, signing off, but probably logging right back in.